Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to recover TikTok account. Firstly, open your mobile browser, then type TikTok feedback form into Google. Tap the official link that leads to TikTok's support or feedback page. Once the page loads, scroll to the contact information section. Enter an active email address that you have access to and enter your TikTok username exactly as it appears. Just type your request clearly. For example, "Hi, I can't access my TikTok account and I forgot my password. I no longer have access to the linked phone number or email. Please help me recover my account." Now scroll down and tap on Submit. You'll see a confirmation message once the form is successfully submitted. TikTok will usually respond within 3 to 5 business days. Be sure to check the inbox for the email address you provided and look in spam or junk folders too. And that's it. You've now submitted a request to recover your TikTok password using the feedback form. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.